viewers, welcome back to Sun English. This is Harini. Now we'll discuss about how to use did in the question forms. Did is used in the past with every subject and sentence. Where did you went yesterday? Is this right? No, it's not right. Whenever is did in the question forms, the immediate main verb should be verb 1. As per the rule, verb 2 should not be used immediately after the verb 2. When we use did in the interrogative sentences, we should use verb 1. Like, where did you go yesterday? But here the helping verb did refers to the past tense when we use verb 1 in the interrogative sentences. For example, when did you come home? Did you finish your homework? Do you know why many students make mistake here? Students make mistake here because verb 2 is used in S2 sentences. But we should not use verb 2 in interrogative sentences when we use did. So to remember that when you are using did in the interrogative sentences, use verb 1, not verb 2. WH question structure. WH word plus, did plus, subject plus, verb 1 plus, object. SR question structure. Did plus, subject plus, verb 1 plus, object. Here are some examples. Where did you go last night? How did she come to school yesterday? Did you see my wallet? Did he excuse you? Thanks for watching Sun English. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.